In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the cannot download files issue on Google Drive. Now, I know that for many of us, Google Drive is an essential tool for cloud storage and file sharing, so not being able to download your files can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to help you sort this out with a step-by-step guide that's simple and straightforward. First, let's start by ensuring your browser is up to date. An outdated browser can often lead to issues with downloading files, so it's crucial to keep it current. Check your browser settings to see if an update is available and install it if necessary. If you're using Google Chrome, simply click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then About Google Chrome. You'll be able to see if an update is available there. Next, let's clear your browser's cache and cookies. Doing this can remove any corrupted data that might be preventing your downloads. In Chrome, head over to the settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Then go ahead and clear the data. This will log you out of most accounts, so keep that in mind as you proceed. After that, let's check the settings on Google Drive itself. Sometimes, simple permission settings can be the culprit. Open Google Drive, navigate to the file you want to download, and double-check its sharing settings. Make sure the file is set to be accessible by you. If the file was shared with you, request download permission from the owner if necessary. Moving on, if you are using any kind of browser extension or third-party software that interacts with your browsing experience, these might be interfering with your downloads from Google Drive. Disable all extensions temporarily, and then attempt to download your file again. If you find success without the extensions, try to enable them one by one to isolate the culprit. If the issue persists, there's a chance your antivirus software may be blocking the download in an overly cautious move. Check your antivirus settings or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the issue. However, remember to enable your antivirus protection again to keep your system secure. Finally, should all else fail, try accessing Google Drive from a different browser altogether, or even from a different device. This will help you identify if the issue is isolated to your specific setup. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to fixing download issues in Google Drive. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to download your files in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck.